Flipping luxury real estate sounds like a glamorous way to build wealth, right? The idea of buying a high-end property, giving it a stunning makeover, and selling it for a huge profit is enticing. But what most people don't realize is that it's a high-stakes game that requires more than just good taste and a big budget. One wrong move in luxury real estate flipping can leave you with a massive financial headache. In this video, I'll walk you through the realities of luxury real estate flipping, the good, the bad, and the ugly. I'll share my experiences, the lessons I've learned, and give you the real picture of what it takes to succeed in this high-risk, high-reward industry. If you're thinking about jumping into luxury flips, or you're already in the game, this video could save you from some costly mistakes. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more real estate insights. 1. The allure of luxury flipping. Why it's so tempting. Luxury real estate flipping has a certain allure. The properties are beautiful, the potential profits are huge, and there's a sense of prestige that comes with working in high-end markets. But many investors, like I did, get swept up in the glamour and forget the reality. It's easy to assume that because a property is worth millions, it will automatically sell for top dollar after a renovation. But a successful luxury flip requires more than just aesthetics. It's about timing, market demand, and knowing the nuances of what high net worth buyers actually want. In my first luxury flip, I was blinded by the property's potential. It looked like the perfect canvas for a luxurious redesign, but I overlooked key factors like location desirability and market trends. A few months into the project, I realized the neighborhood wasn't as in demand as I thought, and the return on investment wouldn't be what I'd hoped. Glamour can cloud your judgment, don't let it. 2. The true cost of renovations. It's not just about fancy finishes when flipping luxury properties. People often focus on upgrading finishes. The marble countertops, the designer fixtures, the high-end appliances. But the true cost of renovation goes far beyond these aesthetic upgrades. Unexpected issues like structural problems, outdated wiring, or plumbing disasters can quickly drain your budget. And luxury homes often come with even bigger surprises. Think historical preservation requirements or high-end customizations that take longer to source and install. In my case, I initially budgeted $50,000 for renovations but ended up spending $120,000 due to hidden issues. When you're working with a high-end property, those costs escalate quickly. Make sure to over-budget, because luxury homes come with luxury problems. 3. Market research. Know your buyers before you buy. Luxury homes are not bought by the masses. They're purchased by a select group of high-net-worth individuals. This means that understanding the wants and needs of these buyers is crucial before making any purchase. Location is everything, but so is the home's amenities, the neighborhood's exclusivity, and the overall lifestyle the property offers. What appeals to an average homebuyer might not cut it in the luxury market. I made the mistake of assuming that any luxury property in a desirable city would sell quickly. But after months of trying to find the right buyer, I realized the neighborhood wasn't as sought after by affluent buyers as I thought. Your market research must go deeper than just general trends. It's about understanding your buyer's psyche. 4. Overpricing. When glamour meets reality once the renovation is complete, the next big challenge is setting the right price. With luxury properties, it's easy to get carried away and overestimate the value of your flip. After all, you've poured money into high-end finishes, and surely that will add significant value, right? Not necessarily. Overpricing a luxury property can lead to it sitting on the market for months or even years. Time is money, especially in luxury real estate. In one flip, I made the rookie mistake of pricing the property too high based on my emotional attachment to the design choices and renovations. The market didn't agree with me, and the property sat unsold for far too long. Be realistic about your property's value and keep a close eye on comparable sales. 5. Timing the market. The risk of luxury real estate cycles. The luxury market doesn't move the same way as the standard real estate market. It's more volatile and often tied to broader economic cycles. Economic downturns, changes in interest rates, or even shifts in buyer preferences can significantly impact your ability to sell a luxury home quickly. That means timing your flip is crucial, and you must stay on top of macroeconomic trends. 6. The hidden costs of luxury flipping. Beyond the renovation, many first-time luxury flippers underestimate the hidden costs involved in the process. Property taxes, insurance, staging, and even marketing can eat into your profits. And let's not forget about the ongoing carrying costs, mortgage payments, utilities, and upkeep all add up when the property is sitting unsold. In the world of luxury flipping, every dollar matters, and small costs can quickly turn into large losses if you're not careful. 7. Managing expectations. Luxury flipping is not a quick fix if you're flipping luxury properties. Be prepared for the long haul. This isn't a get-rich-quick venture. Renovations take longer, buyers are more discerning, and market conditions change rapidly. It's essential to manage both your expectations and your timeline. Getting frustrated or desperate can lead to poor decisions that could end up costing you more. 8. The importance of a strong team. You can't do it alone. Flipping luxury homes isn't something you can do alone. You'll need a solid team. Contractors, designers, real estate agents, and even lawyers who understand the intricacies of high-end properties. A good team will help you avoid mistakes and make the process smoother, while a bad team can derail everything. 9. Understanding the risks. Luxury flipping isn't for everyone. While luxury real estate flipping can be profitable, it's not for everyone. The risks are higher, the costs are steeper, and the time commitment is immense. If you're just starting out in real estate, flipping luxury properties might not be the best choice. You need a deep understanding of the market, the ability to manage large budgets, and the patience to wait for the right buyer. 10. What I learned. The glamour isn't worth the gamble without preparation. After all the setbacks and financial stress, I learned a valuable lesson. Flipping luxury real estate is a glamorous but risky business. It's not just about the beauty of the property, it's about understanding the financial, market, and logistical realities of the game. Proper planning, research, and risk management are essential if you want to succeed in this space. Looking back, I now approach luxury flips with caution and a thorough understanding of the challenges ahead. The glamour of the process isn't worth the gamble if you're not prepared for the work, the risks, and the costs involved. But with the right strategy, the right team, and the right mindset, luxury real estate flipping can be incredibly rewarding. Flipping luxury real estate can be both thrilling and challenging. The rewards can be massive, but the risks are just as significant. If you're looking to start in this business, make sure you're well prepared, have a solid strategy, and surround yourself with a great team. Don't fall into the trap of thinking it's all glamour. Take the time to learn and plan, and you'll increase your chances of success. If this video gave you some valuable insights, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next real estate reality check. Got any luxury flip stories of your own? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences and what you've learned along the way. If you are serious about building income streams like we do in real estate, then Tube Mastery and Monetization is what we personally recommend. Link is in the description.